"How will this be," Mary asked the angel, "since I am a virgin?" The angel answered, "The Holy Spirit will come on you, and the power of the Most High will overshadow you. So the Holy One to be born will be called the Son of God." "I am the Lord's servant," Mary answered. "May your word to me be fulfilled." Then the angel left her. And from the poem Mary by Lowe Hart. "Really, God? You chose me? But why? I'm ordinary, young, uneducated, not married. Why me for such a task?" Then comes understanding, not the answer to why, but just the answer. I am not alone in this, and nothing is impossible with God. At worst, it's terrifying. At best, sobering. And eventually joy-filled to be selected for God's service. We are all Mary. Accept being chosen, for nothing is impossible with God.